In the intricate landscape of battling blood cancers, the quest for effective treatments leads us to a compelling solution: stem cell transplants. On this episode of Vibrant Life Voyage, we delve into the depths of this medical marvel in our slideshow, stem cell transplants for blood cancers. Why stem cell transplants? Blood cancers often necessitate aggressive treatments like high-dose chemotherapy or radiation. However, these life-saving interventions can inadvertently harm healthy bone marrow. Stem cell transplants come to the rescue by restoring the bone marrow's ability to generate blood cells, offering a potential cure in certain cases. Join us to understand why stem cell transplants are often considered a Plan B in the continuum of blood cancer treatment. The origin of stem cells. Stem cells, the unsung heroes of regenerative medicine, can be sourced from various places. Whether from bone marrow, peripheral blood, or even umbilical cord blood, these cells play a pivotal role in rejuvenating the body's ability to produce healthy blood cells. Learn about the significance of finding the right match, the challenges faced by different ethnic groups, and the emergence of cord blood as a viable alternative. The harvesting process. The journey to acquire these precious stem cells involves complex procedures. From the meticulous collection of bone marrow under anesthesia to the innovative method of extracting peripheral blood stem cells, we uncover the steps involved in this life-saving process. Discover how mini transplants offer a gentler alternative for older and sicker individuals. The transplant experience. While the preparation for a stem cell transplant may be arduous, the actual procedure is surprisingly simple. Witness how doctors inject the cells into the bloodstream through and for, a procedure lasting anywhere from 1 to 5 hours. Explore the waiting period post-transplant, where patients vigilantly await the new stem cells to kickstart blood cell production. Recovery and beyond. The journey doesn't end with the transplant. Follow the path of recovery as patients navigate weeks of hospital stay, regular medical examinations, blood transfusions, and antibiotic regimens. Learn about the challenges faced by bone marrow donors and the importance of follow-up care, spanning months and even years. Challenges and triumphs. While stem cell transplants can save lives, survivors often confront a range of challenges in the years that follow. From organ damage to hormonal changes and potential infertility, we explore the ongoing research aimed at mitigating these risks and enhancing the quality of life for blood cancer survivors. Join us on the Vibrant Life Voyage as we unravel the mysteries of stem cell transplants, offering hope, insight, and a deeper understanding of the transformative power of regenerative medicine.